David Allen calls the weekly review the critical success factor of GTD. In a survey of 10,000 GTD practitioners, those who did a weekly review were 3x more likely to report feeling in control of their commitments. Process every inbox to zero: email, physical inbox, note captures, voice memos, browser tabs. You're not doing the tasks, just deciding what each item is and where it goes. Capture missed tasks from the week. Check your calendar for the past week for any triggered follow-ups. Review every active project and ask, what's the next action? If a project has no next action, it's stalled. Either define one or move it to someday/maybe. Review your waiting for list and follow up on anything overdue. Check upcoming calendar for preparation needed. Review your someday/maybe list for anything ready to activate. Review your goals and ask, am I spending enough time on what matters most? Brainstorm new ideas and capture them. This is where strategic thinking happens. Don't skip it for the operational phases. Complete walkthrough of my Notion weekly review template with automated status roll-ups, stalled project detection, and a guided checklist that makes the review nearly automatic. Schedule your first weekly review for this Friday at 3 p.m. Block 45 minutes. Use my free checklist from the description and experience the clarity of a fully reviewed system.